$0 to $1,000 with AI, my first week earning. Artificial intelligence is transforming how individuals approach online income opportunities, making it accessible to more people than ever before. By leveraging the capabilities of AI, even those without technical expertise can tap into innovative methods to earn money. During my first week, I explored how AI tools could simplify processes like content creation, task automation, and data analysis. This hands-on experience revealed the vast potential AI holds for streamlining efforts and achieving tangible results. 1. Choosing the right AI tools. I began by exploring various AI platforms to match my specific needs and interests. Comparing features like user-friendliness, pricing, and functionality helped me narrow down my options. I prioritized tools that offered versatility and could assist with content creation, automation, and data analysis. Reading user reviews and participating in online forums provided valuable insights into how others were using these tools effectively. Testing free trials allowed me to understand the software's capabilities before committing to long-term use. By focusing on tools with active support communities, I ensured access to helpful resources whenever challenges arose. This research phase played a key role in equipping me with the right tools to build momentum and make the most of my efforts. 2. Getting started with zero investment. To begin earning with AI without spending money, I utilized free trials and basic versions of various platforms, gaining hands-on experience without committing financially. Online tutorials and discussion forums became essential for building my skills and understanding how to apply AI tools effectively. I focused on practical applications, experimenting with content creation and automation while relying on free resources to refine my approach. 3. Daily activities and progress. Each day, I focused on structured tasks that utilized AI tools for creating content, automating repetitive processes, and promoting my work online. I allocated time for testing different AI features, refining my workflows, and engaging with potential clients or collaborators. To stay organized, I used simple tracking methods to monitor my activities and evaluate their impact on my earnings. Experimenting with different approaches allowed me to discover which strategies were most effective for maximizing productivity and results. 4. Challenges and learning experiences. Understanding the technical features of AI tools initially slowed my progress, requiring extra time and effort to become proficient. Adjusting workflows to integrate AI efficiently was another hurdle, as it demanded patience and experimentation to find the best methods. Additionally, unexpected errors or limitations in the tools occasionally disrupted tasks, pushing me to troubleshoot and adapt quickly. Staying motivated during periods of slower progress proved challenging but taught me the value of persistence. 5. First $1,000 breakdown and insights. A significant portion of my initial earnings came from offering freelance services that leveraged AI tools, particularly in content creation and data analysis. By using AI to automate repetitive tasks and enhance the quality of my work, I was able to deliver results efficiently and appeal to a broader range of clients. Another income source stemmed from affiliate marketing, where I promoted tools and platforms I had tested and found effective. Additionally, I experimented with selling AI-generated products, which included digital assets like templates and designs tailored to specific niches. 1. Unexpected realization was how crucial it was to manage time effectively while balancing different income-generating activities. 6. Plans for the future. To build on my early achievements, I plan to explore new niches and opportunities where AI can make a significant impact. This includes identifying emerging trends and tailoring my services to meet the demands of growing markets. I aim to collaborate with other professionals to share knowledge and discover innovative ways to apply AI tools effectively. Additionally, I want to deepen my understanding of advanced AI functionalities to offer more specialized and high-value services. Investing time in ongoing learning will help me stay ahead of changes in technology and maintain a competitive edge. By continuously refining my strategies and experimenting with creative solutions, I intend to expand my portfolio and establish a more diverse range of income streams. Emphasizing consistent quality and staying flexible in my approach will be key as I work towards scaling my results and reaching new milestones in the AI-driven economy.